welcome once again to Akapo TV, the winning channel, the best sports channel. Today is another day. Today I have tips and predictions for you guys. Today Brentford is playing against Watford. We have Mallorca playing against Celta Vigo. Cologne versus FC Augsburg. We have John Rasburg versus Werder Bremen. Schalke 04 Nuremberg. We have Gonia versus Southampton, Nantes, and RC Lens. So with these teams, we are going to make our selections from here. So if you are new to this channel, kindly make sure to subscribe, leave us a like and comment down below. Make sure to stake what you can afford to lose, because bet is 50-50. You may either lose or you gain. But with this channel, you cannot lose all your money. Sometimes we lose, we also win. So subscribe, leave us a like and share this video. So let's go to our predictions for today. We have Brentford playing against Watford. Looking at both teams' size, Brentford is stronger, Watford too is stronger. When they meet, they score a lot of goals. So we go over 2.5 goals at 1.97 odds. And we have Real Mallorca versus Celta de Vigo. And these teams too, they normally score each other more than 2 goals. So we go over 1.5. You have FC Cologne versus Augsburg. And this one too, over 1.5 at 1.21. And we have Jane Rosenborg versus Werder Bremen. These teams, they score a lot of goals, but to make the prediction 99% accurate, we go over 1.5 at 1.20. We have Schalke 04 versus Nuremberg. Home or draw for Schalke 04. Well, Schalke 04 is a strong team here. Schalke 04 can score, so we go over home or draw, and we have Gonia versus Sampdoria. This one we can go straight away for Sampdoria, but to save our money, we go draw away. And then we have Nantes versus RC Lens. We go straight over 1.5 for this one. So we have the total odds to be 11.26. So these are the tips and odds for today. Kindly subscribe, like and share this video.